There are a lot of decanter equipment manufacturers around the world, but few companies have achieved both the price and quality innovation at the same time. The larger the processing equipment, the higher the value and the better the performance is Royal Decanter, the most appropriate solution for customers. Korea Top References. Korea Top Ranked Decanter Maker, 30 years of know-how. Over 3,000 units worldwide providing, over 1,000 sites operating. The customized equipment manufacturing and field-oriented flexible design applicable to any site requiring water treatment purification technology is what defines Korea Royal Precision Industry Company Limited. The 30-year-old know-how was a great journey to field experience and customer needs. Established in 1986, Royal Precision Company Limited, which is leading industrial and chemical water treatment centrifuges, operate the Environment Division that develops various applications such as centrifugal dehydrator and centrifugal concentrator. Also operate the valve business to manufacture various industrial valves. Our accumulated technology and perfect quality control. ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and European Safety CE certificate as well, EM Excellent Quality Certification, EEC Environmental Facility Quality Certification, etc. We are adding more credibility by acquiring various intellectual property rights. Also, for the quality of products and services, we are proceeding to a one-stop process, which is consulting, design, production, commissioning, and after-sales services, etc. With the motto of lightweight for product and powerful performance, we have invested heavily in R&D, the specially established in-house Technology Research Institute, and strategically foster creative engineering research personnel. With our prompt service with quick feedback to the fast and accurate delivery schedule and customer requirements, we receive favorable response from customers. We have developed high quality and service through continuous mutual communication, so we are now dynamically supplying our products to global major companies. Solid-liquid separator. General centrifuges are a device to process the suspended solids in the overall industrial sector and in various wastewater. The suspended solids should process by various separation purposes. In centrifugal separator, when the input material, which has been fed through a feed pipe to a bowl rotating at a high speed, is dispersed and discharged into a bowl, and when centrifugal force is applied, the solids are separated by using the specific gravity difference between liquid and solid. That solid material is conveyed to a taper through a screw conveyor, which is rapidly settled and rotated at a constant speed with a rotating body, and is dehydrated and discharged. The liquid separated from the solid material flows backward through a screw conveyor. dewatering decanter centrifuges. Centrifugal dehydrator separates solids and water by centrifugal consolidation force in thousands of times of gravity at the interior of a rotating bowl. This device makes solids discharged to low-function cake by shear force and compressive force action, quickly dehydrated with the incoming fluid and treated as dried sludge. Thickening decanter. The centrifugal concentrator automatically controls the vehicle speed value, even when the concentration of the input sludge fluctuates in the automatic control mode. Therefore, the drawn-off concentrate is constant, and the fluid can be continuously treated at the set concentration value. The concentrated sludge with low concentration is discharged in a high concentration. Boasts a solids recovery of over 95% when using flocculant. Slow drum type thickener. The slow drum type thickener concentrates and transports the coagulated floc to the inside and outside of the drum by rotating the machine at low speed, which is following the sludge reaction with chemicals. This device is a mechanical sludge concentrator that reacts the drug to the sludge. High-efficiency screw press. When supplied with the coagulated sludge, the screw press with high efficiency discharges and dehydrates the filtrate to the screen around the screw press as the screw press volume decreases from the inlet to the outlet by the force of screw rotating at low speed, 0.2 to 1.3 RPM. It consists of a solid screw wing, a concentrating part, and a screen separated by a crimping part. With a higher level of mutual growth, companies with customers. Protecting people and the environment. Enterprise leading a more valuable industrial culture. Environmental water treatment equipment. Global provider. Korea Royal Precision Industry Company Limited.